How is it going everyone? Welcome to ComicsTube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll review a zombie apocalypse issue in DC Universe. This issue has so much resemblance with Tom Taylor's Deceased. So if you are new here, a sub to this channel would be highly appreciated, and also turn on all the notifications to never miss any future uploads. Please like, comment and share. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. You can support them by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. The issue opens with the Justice League Watchtower, where we see John Constantine is trying to contact Batman to warn him and the League about the ongoing threat which is happening down on Earth. He locked himself in a room, but he don't know how long the door can hold the zombies. He says the infection is spreading all over the Earth. London, Metropolis, Tokyo, Mumbai, Gotham, all the major cities have lost to this chaos. All it takes is a bite and you will become into one of them. The Titans, Suicide Squad, the Doom Patrol, Swamp Thing, they have all fallen. Only some of us are left. The Kryptonian is also off planet. So Batman, if you are listening, come down on here and save the day. Or send Wonder Woman, she is better than the rest of you. And right at that time, the zombies break into his room. John places his gun into his head and says his last word that he always thought it would be the cigarettes that killed him, and pulls the trigger. Then we see within the tower, Zombie Flash is wandering, and Aquaman, Wonder Woman, they are all dead. Only Hal Jordan is alive, who watches every movement of Barry through the screen. He asks himself why Diana is not changing into a zombie. Maybe she's Amazonian, that's why. So does the virus only affect humans? Is that what happening to him? Then we see one of his ring finger is missing from his right hand. He goes into depression and fear. He says all those years with his ring, the power projecting his will on others, he felt like a god. Now he just feels human, powerless and afraid. The infection slowly spreads into his body as all the symptoms of the virus are showing up. Then we see the flashback of the incident, where the initial zombie outbreak takes place within the Justice League Watchtower. Martian Manhunters and Hal are waiting for other members to show up. Then from the back a portal opens, and from there infected Barry Allen shows up. When they ask him about his poor condition, Barry tells them a normal civilian beat him. His whole body starts to shiver in pain and blood's coming from his mouth. He don't know what is going on there, so he came here to get some help from Bruce and Diana. Later Hal visits Batman to discuss about Barry's current condition. Batman says Barry is dying from an unknown virus. He can't do anything about that. There is no other option available to save him, but he can do something for everyone on Earth. For that, he must interrogate him about this incident to get any useful informations. After hearing Batman's words, Hal gets pissed. But when he turns back to get help from other League members, he gets confronted by zombified Barry Allen, chewing the remaining of his team members. But before Hal can do anything, Barry uses his power and cut his ring finger off, causing him to lose his power. Back to present day, Hal enters into the control room, but there he sees Batman is lying dead on the floor as his guts comes out from his body. But as he crosses him, Batman's body gets reanimated into a soulless monster and he jumps on Hal. Even in his current state, Batman is stronger than Hal but much more slower. Hal quickly takes this advantage and punches him hard in the face, which breaks his neck. But as he tries to escape, zombified Barry Allen shows up in front of him. But before he can end his life and taste his meat, Hal quickly evades his attack. Then he sees the corpse of Martian Manhunter, which makes Hal sure that the virus only affects the human body. Hal slowly approaches towards the League's teleporter to get back to Earth and convince Guy Gardner to give his ring to him and stop this infection. But the time runs out from his hand. He can feel the virus is taking control over his mind. He may be a human, but not powerless. He clenches his teeth and jumps on Barry. He brutally attacks him and takes his ring from his gut. In this blackest day, when everything is lost, Hal summons his ring's power and the whole watchtower gets destroyed by the willpower of his ring. 3 weeks later, when Superman returns to Earth, he discovers that he is the last survivor of a dead planet again. With such a heartbreaking ending, the short chapter of DC Zombies comes to a close. Which part you like the most? Please comment down below. And also please subscribe as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.